Oh, this is about a flavor bomb. Thai chicken basil chili curry, also known as grapao gai or pad krapao, is a popular Thai dish that's a staple in Bangkok streets and homes. Here's the lowdown. What's in it? Stir-fried chicken, or pork, beef, or tofu, with Thai holy basil, chilies, garlic, and sometimes Thai chilies in oil. Here are some more details on Thai chicken basil chili curry, grapao gai. Key ingredients: Thai holy basil, bird's eye chilies, garlic, chicken or protein of choice, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and palm sugar. Heat level: adjustable based on chilies used, mild to extremely spicy. Flavor profile: spicy, savory.